Did you know that SoundCheck includes visual overload protection warnings? This simple indicator can be the difference between safe, accurate measurements and bad data that gets caught too late. An overload indicator is included in all instruments, both hardware and virtual instruments. This appears when the amplitude of the input signal exceeds the range of the hardware. When it's beyond this range, the measurement data is not reliable since it is beyond the intended range of your hardware's input. Prolonged exposure to overload signals can also result in damaged hardware, so these warnings add an extra level of protection. SoundCheck determines the input channel's max full-scale deflection using the peak voltage level value in the hardware table. The VP value defines the maximum peak voltage that hardware's A to D and D to A converter can handle. It's different for all interfaces and varies depending on the signal conditioning built into the interface, like line-in versus mic-in. Since SoundCheck works with almost any interface, this clear overload indicator is very useful. Using the visual overload warning within a virtual instrument is easy since it's automatically enabled. When a signal is within the max FSD tolerances, the reading is white. This reading turns orange when the input signal is within 3 dB of the max FSD level. If the signal overloads the hardware, the overload indicator becomes visible and flashes red. After this overload event, the reading remains yellow to show that an overload has occurred during measurement. This feature is not limited to your local machine. For external control applications, an overload yes or no status is included in the JSON data provided by SoundCheck. If you're monitoring signals remotely, this visibility is essential. Now, we want to hear from you. Is there a time when overload protection would have saved your data or equipment? Let us know in the comments below. And for more information on all things SoundCheck, head to our website at listeninc.com.